Hello friends, in this video we are going to see about word for dot test. So first we are going to see what is word for dot test. This test, otherwise known as word for light test or W4LT, it is a subjective test and it is a simple clinical test mainly used for assessing patient's degree of binocular vision and binocular single vision. It is also used in the detection of suppression in both eyes. Let's see what is meant by binocular single vision. We see an object with our both eyes, but we get a single unified image. This is called binocular single vision. Look at the term binocular, two eyes and single vision. So we get a single vision. While seeing our both eyes, we get a single unified image by the process of fusion is termed as binocular single vision. Next we are going to see what is meant by suppression. Usually strabismus patient experience diplopia. Diplopia means double vision. So strabismus patients suppress one eye to avoid the double vision. This is called a suppression. Suppression leads to amblyopia. Vertical and horizontal deviations, diplopia, suppressions are the indications of Worthford dot test. Next we are going to see the equipments used in Worthford dot test. To perform distance test, we need Worthford dot test illumination box and we need Worthford dot test torchlight to perform near test. And also we need trial frame and red and green filter. Worthford dot test have red light at the top, two green lights on either sides and one white light at the bottom. Red filter blocks the green light and the green filter blocks the red light. Based on this, we find that patient have normal binocular single vision or not, and also the patient experiences suppression or not, and he has diplopia or not. If the patient have normal binocular single vision means he can see 4 lights. If he has suppression means he can see only 3 lights. If the patient have diplopia means he see 5 lights. Diplopia means double vision. That means the fusion process is not working properly. Next we are going to see the method of assessment. First we need to dim the room illumination so that the patient see the light better. The patient should wear the trial frame. If the patient have refractive error means that should be corrected. The examiner should place the red filter in front of patient's right eye and the green filter in front of patient's left eye. To perform distance test, the patient is asked to sit at 6 meter distance, and to perform near test, the patient is asked to sit at 33 centimeter. Next, these are the questions to be asked to the patient by the examiner. The first question is how many lights are you seeing? And the second question is what is the color of the light? And the third question is where the lights are located? And the fourth question is are the lights are in same line or some lights are higher than the other light? And also we need to ask the color of the light, which color light is in higher position and which color light is in lower position. And also we need to ask that they seeing the lights in same time or the lights are flashing on and off. Next we are going to see the interpretation. If the patient sees 4 lights means that is 1 red light at the top and 2 green lights on either sides and 1 mixed color at the bottom means he has binocular single vision or abnormal retinal correspondence. The mixed color looks like orange shade. We need to perform additional clinical test to detect whether the patient have abnormal retinal correspondence or not. If the patient sees 3 green light means that is 2 green light are on either sides and 1 green light at the bottom means he has right eye suppression. We are placing red filter in front of right eye and green filter in front of left eye. Red filter only allows red light and green filter only allows green light. Here the patient seeing 3 green light, that is the patient seeing the green light from his left eye. That means he has right eye suppression. If the patient sees 2 red light means he has left eye suppression. Here we are placing red filter in front of right eye and green filter in front of left eye. The red filter only allows red light and the green filter only allows green light. And the patient seeing 2 red light from his right eye, so he has left eye suppression. If the patient seeing the 5 light, 2 red light and 3 green lights, but they are not seeing the light at the same time, they say they are seeing the light alternatingly means the patient have alternating suppression. If the patient say that they can see 5 lights, 2 red light and 3 green light in a horizontal manner, look at the image. Like this the patient seeing the light means they have uncrossed diplopia. We already know we are placing red filter in front of right eye and green filter in front of left eye. The red filter only allows red light and the green filter only allows green light. So here the red light coming from right eye is seen on the right side and the green light coming from left eye is seen on the left side. That's why it is termed as uncrossed diplopia. If the patient says they can see the 5 light, 3 green light and 2 red light in a horizontal manner, look at the image like this the patient is seeing means he has crossed diplopia. The red light coming from right eye is seen on left side and the green light coming from left eye is seen on right side. That is why it is termed as crossed diplopia. If the patient says they can see 5 lights, 3 green light and 2 red light in a vertical manner, 3 green light are on the top and the 2 red light are on the bottom means he have right hypertropia or left hypotropia. Hypertropia means eyeball deviates towards upwards. Hypotropia means eyeball deviate towards downwards. Left hypertropia means in the left eye the eyeball deviate towards downwards. The green light coming from the left eye is seen upwards. Look at this point here. The clinician can relate the position of the light directly back to the deviation and the height of the eye. That is, the higher lights belongs to the lower eye and the lower lights belongs to the higher eye. The higher light belongs to the lower eye means here the higher light is green light and the green light coming from the left eye, that is the hypertropic eye, is seen in the highest position. And the lower light belongs to the higher eye means here the lower light is red light. Red light coming from the right eye, that is hypertropic eye, is seen on the lowest side. Hypertropia means eyeball deviates towards upwards. Red light seen on the lowest position. If the patient sees 2 red light on the top and the 3 green light on the bottom means he have right hypertropia or left hypertropia. Look at the image here. Like this the patient is seeing means he have right hypertropia or left hypertropia. Here the higher light is red light. Red light comes from right eye and the right eye has hypodeviation. So the red light coming from right eye is in highest position. That is, the higher light belongs to the lower eye and the left eye have hyperdeviation, so the green light coming from the left eye is seen on the lowest side. That is, the lower light belongs to the higher eye. If the light are not situated directly above one another but they are separated horizontally means he have mixed deviation. That means the patient have both vertical and horizontal strabismus. I hope you guys understand the topic Rutherford dot test very well from this video. If you like the content means like the video, leave your opinion in the comment section, and for regular optometry updates subscribe our channel Optom A to Z.